Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss what is filter function. Without any further ado, let us start the video. Let me create a file filterJS.js. So what is a filter method? So filter method creates an array of elements that pass the test provided with the function. Let me write that. It's a method which creates an array of elements that pass the test provided by the function. Let us test this theory, alright? So let me take an array. So I'll take an array of numbers. Let's say constant numbers. So I'll write an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This, and if I want to extract even or odd, so I'll write constant, I'll write even equal to. So here I need numbers dot filter function. So what does filter take? So filter takes a value, index and a array number. So let us write a function. I'll write isEven function, and isEven function will take a value. So value we are getting from this. So this is the values. So isEven function, we can pass this isEven function here. So isEven, we can pass it here. So here we can return a value. So let me return value mod 2 equal to 0. So now here I can pass console.log of even. Let me run this node filterJS.js. Now we should get an array of even numbers. So the method which creates an array of elements that pass the test provided by the function. So the test was to find an even. So let's see, let me find an odd, right? I'll give not equal to 0. So now it should give me an odd array. So now I got an odd array 1, 3, 5. And a scenario does not change the original array. So does not change the original array. So what is happening here? So if I copy this, if I paste it here, control slash, and if I want to console log of numbers, let's see what will happen here. So we are getting the array of odd. So if I give equal to, I'll get an even. So not an issue. So this is a even array, and the original array is still there. It is not manipulating the original array. Alright. Now let us take one more scenario. Then a scenario which I am going to tell. It's an array which has an objects. Now how we can filter a particular desired results based on filter function. That is exactly similar to the what we had in the previous video, nested JSON with a cursor function. I'll add that video on the right top corner of the video so that you guys can watch that. Nested JSON using a recursive function. We have used the filter method on that. So I'll explain that scenario here. So let me write constant students, and this will be an array. Array has an objects, right? So this is one object, another object. Okay, let's take value here. So I'll write name. I'll write name as and profession as let's say software engineer. I'll copy the same thing. I'll add it here. I'll copy the same thing. I'll add it to one more object. So here name is A, profession is SE. So I'll write name is B. I'll write YouTuber. Name is C. I'll just write businessman. Let's just write B, right? Okay. Now here, if I want to filter, I can write a filter method. Let me write constant filter by profession, so equal to. So here I'll write students. Students won't be appropriate, right? So I'll write people, right? So here people dot. Here we'll get a filter function. What I want to filter? I want to filter. So let us take age of a person, right? Let me write age. Software engineer's age will be around 25. I'll write comma here. YouTuber can be any age. Let me write the age of the YouTuber like 15 years. And businessman, let me write the age of a businessman, which is 40 years. Now, here, if I want a person and person's age greater than 25. So, person's dot age is greater than 25. So, what should I get? So, I should get the profession businessman whose age is 40. Let me write greater than equal to 25. So, we are getting two professions here. Okay. Let us see one more scenario. In this scenario, we are going to do a value index array method in a filter function. Let us see that scenario. So I'll write scenario 3. So here I'll write constant num equal to, let me write any numbers. I want so I want to find the unique values. So you can see one here, it is repeating more than one times, two here repeating. So I want the unique values in this array. I'll write constant unique numbers equal to, I'll write num.filter function, and we can take the value index we can take, and we can take an array also here. So these three are the arguments which we can get. So here now I'll be using the arrow function. So let me write like this. So here I'll be using the arrow function. In the arrow function we'll specify the condition. Let's write return. What I have to return? Array. Return the array index of value triple equal to index. Then you write console.log of unique numbers array. So I'll write console.log unique numbers array. Okay. So now I'll run this. One was repeating twice. I am writing unique. One value, 2 is repeating twice, and up to 5 it was repeating. 7 was only one. So it has filtered this array, and it has given us the unique values. How to understand this? Alright. So let me write a console.log index of value, array.index of value. We can write it here. And I want to write the index also. Just write give, for better understanding, I want to write like this index. Okay. So now CLS, I'll write what is the value here. Value plus, I'll write plus here, and I'll write now we'll understand properly. So CLS, so now let me run it. So here now, what is the first value? Value 1, and the index is 0. The value of this index of this value is 0. Fine. Up to 5 we got unique values, and again 1 is repeated. What was the index of that particular value? It was 0. So this is now repeating second time. Second value was 1, third value was 2, fourth value was 1. What was the fifth value? Fifth value was 4. So now we didn't get the unique values here. Okay. What is the index of 7? Was it repeating? No. So we got 10 and 11. So based on the unique indexes, based on this, if the value is equal to index. So value this one was equal to index, up to 5 it was equal to index. Right. Now these are not equal. So these will be removed. And then 10 and 11 are equal. So this will be added. So the value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So these are the few scenarios which we have covered in the filter video. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.